So this is my first video, and I'll be doing a aesthetic coloring tutorial. So first, the apps you'll be needing are CapCut and colortone. So first thing you want to do is pick your video. I don't know why I chose that one. Let me just go back here. Okay, but you just want to use your video, and then you want to go to the filter coogee, and then go to contrast. Kind of just want to touch it a little bit, just kind of play around with it. And then if you guys want like the real like what you have to do, just go to the description and all the what you need to do in brightness and all of that. So if you just want to see it better, I guess just go to the description and you could just see the apps and all. So yes, sharpen, I need sharpen 100%. Vignette. I'm barely gonna touch that. Okay, but you guys will see what you have to do in the description down below. So if you just want to know what to do better, just go to the description and follow the rules on there. And then you get something like that. And then you want to go into CapCut and then get the video you did on colortone. The pattern does matter actually, so just use colortone first. And then when that's loaded, you want to go to effects, and I use glow, etch glow, I think. Wait, I don't want to get colortone. Yeah, okay. But I like getting etch glow because I don't know, it just makes the video better. And then, but next video will be a kidcore coloring tutorial, which will be so fun. Okay, and I'll also give you, and then the video after that, it's gonna be how to get a good amount of followers and kind of go viral. Now let me find the one I want to use. No, that's really bright. Okay, I cannot find the one I need to use. So I don't know if they took it out or something. Most likely it did not. But yeah. Next video will either be coloring tutorial or kidcore coloring tutorial or theme tutorial. So yes. And then I like playing around with these. Just I don't know, just playing around with them, to see if I like them or not. That one makes my video kind of bright, so I just put it a bit down, and then I like it a bit more, so I'll keep that. And then that filter is code. So then, yeah, that's all. Then you can see the edge glow a bit more. You could also layer the edge glow if you want it to be more like this. I'm actually gonna do that because I need more glow on it. So I'm just gonna edge glow the video, layer it. Okay. Also, I really try to make my videos pretty short, I'd say. So yeah. And if you were I forgot what I was gonna say. But if you're somebody that's lazy like I am, I recommend writing down somewhere where you're mostly at. I'm mostly in my desk or in my bed, so I leave a note of all the colorings I need, in a sticky paper, a sticky note I mean, and I just put it next to me, and then I can just remember the coloring tutorial, and we'll have to go back to the YouTube video or the I'm being so dumb right now. Oh, the description, just like going back and forth, back and forth. So I'd recommend just writing it down somewhere where you're like, oh, is that? Like, I don't know, but that's what I like doing because I don't like, if it's not my own coloring, but most of the time it is because I just create something. But if it's not my own coloring, I don't like going back and forth in the video. If you understand what I'm saying? But this is the result on mine. And of course, if you go to TikTok, I like using this filter called Island, I don't know, but put that one like in 40 and 22, and that'll be good. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I don't want to show you guys it. But next, that's pretty much all you really have to do. Then you could add like a filter or a effect on snow. Soda does not work for me. I don't even know I still have it, but yes. Okay, and then that's pretty much all you really need. Okay, and then these will be the results. No, I really like it personally. It's really pretty. Where is